This is Sarah. It is Monday morning, and Sarah is very, very tired. She did not sleep well last night. Now she is in her kitchen. What does she want? She wants a coffee. She needs a large, hot coffee to start her day. She looks at her coffee machine. She is ready for her first cup. Sarah wants her coffee. So what does she do? She goes to the coffee machine. She takes her mug and she presses the button. This button says start. She presses it. She waits for the coffee. She thinks, coffee, please. Sarah pressed the button. She waited for coffee, but then clunk, pop. What was that? The machine made a strange noise. The coffee machine was broken. Oh no, no coffee for Sarah. Sarah looked at her machine. It was not working. It was broken. Oh no, Sarah has no coffee. Her machine is broken. She is very, very frustrated. Look at her face. She is angry. She needs coffee. She wants coffee. But the machine is broken. She cannot make coffee. What will she do? She is sad. She is angry. She is frustrated. No coffee for Sarah. Sarah is frustrated. Her machine is broken. She needs coffee. So she thinks, I can fix it. She gets a spoon, a metal spoon. She tries to fix the machine with the spoon. Zap, zap. Oh no, she makes the problem worse. The machine is more broken now. Sarah cannot fix it. The spoon does not help. She is still very frustrated. Still no coffee. Sarah thinks, okay, I will go to a cafe. I can buy a coffee there. She looks out the window. Oh no, look at the weather. It is raining. It is raining very hard. Sarah does not want to go outside in the rain. She has no coffee, a broken machine, and now rain. Poor Sarah. It is a very bad Monday morning. Suddenly, Sarah hears a sound. Ding dong! It is the doorbell. Who is at the door? Is it a friend? Is it a delivery? Sarah is surprised. She walks to the door and opens it. She sees her neighbor. His name is Mark. Why is Mark here? What does he have in his hands? Mark is smiling. He has 2 cups of coffee in his hands. Hot, delicious coffee. Mark says, "Good morning, Sarah. I made too much coffee. Do you want a cup? Sarah cannot believe it. She is so happy. Mark is a very kind neighbor. He has the coffee she needs. Sarah's bad morning is changing. Now Sarah is happy. She is drinking coffee with Mark. The coffee is very good. They are talking and laughing. The rain is stopping and the sun is coming out. Sarah has a broken machine, but she has a great friend. Her morning is not bad now. It is a very good morning. Thank you, Mark. Thank you for listening to this story, and I'll see you in the next episode.